Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So today I am going to start GCP learning roadmap. So in that I will tell you how can we start a GCP learning, how can we start, and if you already have some basic idea about AWS and Azure, it will be beneficial for you. If you don't have done also, it's okay. You can start with GCP as well, because in many time what happened that you know the concept but the cloud will differ and you are not able to apply for the job role. That's why I thought to start GCP as well. Oh, I already have started AWS and many things I have teaching, but I'm going to share the roadmap for GCP. So first thing that without any further delay start fundamentals. So fundamental that should be strong base. So you have to understand GCP works. So GCP hierarchy is like for AWS some hierarchy is there. So in the same way GCP hierarchy is that first organization, then project, and then resource. Same the thing which we follow in the bit bucket if you remember. Now in organization, project, and resource, after that IAM. So in IAM, users role service account, this will be there. Basic services is compute engine, cloud storage, and VPC basics. After that we will start to create a virtual machine. We will upload file to the cloud storage and we will set an IAM rules. This is the fundamental. Once we will do this, after that what we will do, uh, we will start code development skills. What it include, work like DevOps engineer in GCP. So for that we need networking. Inside networking we need to know VPC, subnet, firewall, routes. Whatever the thing we have learned for AWS, in the same way it will little bit differ, but more and less same concept. After that we will start learning compute, that I will teach you virtual machine plus startup scripts. Then containerizations, Docker basics, we will know. So parallelly I will teach Docker and Kubernetes as well. For CI/CD, cloud build, and Jenkins we will learn. So I hope Jenkins I already teach, cloud builds I will teach you, and we will deploy our application in a virtual machine. So that I will cover. After that, containers and Kubernetes. So that is very important. So our goal will be master modern DevOps takes learn. So for that we need Kubernetes basics. So that I am going to cover soon, like pod services deployment, then GKE, Google Kubernetes Engine, Helm, and we will practice, like we will deploy upon the GKE and we will expose with the help of load balancer. So that also I will cover. And advanced DevOps like Terraform as an infrastructure code, monitoring, cloud monitoring, Prometheus and Grafana, logging, cloud logging, and security IAM deep dive. So infra provisioning we will do with the help of Terraform. After that, serverless and optimization. So modern goal architecture, cloud run, cloud function, and cost optimization and auto skill. This thing we will cover. Now come to the resume ready. So end to end pipeline. So we will follow the architecture, developer, GitHub, CI/CD, Docker, GCP user. So all these things I am going to tell you, like code repository. So where we will store the code, then CI/CD pipeline, container registry, deployment. So where we will do deployment, networking, monitoring, and final output. Now let's took a look here and we will understand AWS GCP. See, virtual machine for AWS is EC2. For GCP, it compute engine. For what storage for AWS is S3. For GCP, it is cloud storage. For Kubernetes, for AWS is EKS. For GCP, it is GKE. Load balancer for AWS is Elastic Load Balancer. For GCP, it is Google Cloud Load Balancing. And IAM role will be both for IAM and CI/CD. So in AWS, we will use code pipeline, and GCP we will use cloud build. Serverless will for AWS we will use Lambda, and for GCP we will use cloud functions. So the name will differ, but more or less functionality will be same. So now for today we just try to understand basic things like what is GCP. So GCP stands for Google Cloud Platform, is a cloud computing platform by Google that provide infrastructure platform and services to build, deploy and scale application, same as AWS. So instead of buying server, we use compute power, storage, database, networking, all deliver over the internet. Okay, now basic structure of GCP. So everything in the GCP is organized like organization, that will be company account. Okay, folder grouping, that is optional. Then project, that is main working unit. After that resource, so inside resource, virtual machine, storage, DB, anything will be there. Now main service category, so one will be compute, storage, database, networking, security, monitoring and logging, and database and AI deployment models. So all these things let's us discuss one by one. First is compute. Compute is nothing but that is a run machine. Run machine means compute engine. So that will work as a virtual machine. Whatever we are known for AWS, that is EC2. Now app engine. App engine means platform as a service, and cloud run. Cloud run means serverless container. And GK is Google Kubernetes engines that will manage Kubernetes services. Now for storage, cloud storage, object storage like file and image we use, persistent disk, that is virtual machine, and file store we use to shared file storage. For databases we use cloud SQL like MySQL and Postgres SQL. Cloud spanner we use globally scalable DB, and file store we use NoSQL document DB. Bigtable we use for large scale NoSQL data. For that networking, same only. VPC we use for networking setup, subnet like private public subnet, firewall rules, load balancing, cloud DNS. So GCP VPC is global, not region basis. Okay, like in AWS there is a region, now US is one like that, but GCP that is global. Security and IAM. So IAM means identity and access management, so role and permission, service account, that who control what, that thing we will manage. And monitoring, for cloud monitoring, cloud logging and cloud trash. Data and AI we will use BigQuery, Vertex AI and Dataflow. Deployments means like IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service for compute engine. PaaS, that is for app engine, and serverless for cloud run function. So global infrastructure, high scalability, pay as you go pricing, strong Kubernetes support, excellent for data analytics. So that thing about the GCP, but we will start from tomorrow. Today just I give you the overview what I'm going to teach in this series. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great day, friends.